Before the video start, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. How to clean to kill off coronavirus. The US Center for Disease Control and Prevention recommends daily disinfection for frequently touched surfaces such as table, doorknobs, light switches, countertops, handles, desks, phone, keyboards, toilets, and sinks. The CDC also recommended to use of detergent or soap and water on dirty surfaces prior to disinfection. If someone in your room is sick with flu-like symptoms, consider regularly disinfecting objects in your home. Since coronavirus has been shown to survive for 16 hours on plastics, whatever cleaning solution you use, let it remain in contact with the surface long enough to kill viruses and other pathogens. The time needed will depend on the chemical. Don't use different cleaning agents at the same time. Some household chemical, if mixed, can create dangerous and poisonous gases. The question raises, how do I clean with bleach? Bleach can be diluted with cold water to make an effective disinfectant against bacteria, fungi, and many viruses including coronavirus. You can typically use 1/4 cup of bleach per 1 gallon of cold water, but be sure to follow the direction on the label of your bleach. Make dilute bleach solution is needed and use it in 24 hours as its disinfecting ability fades with time. Non-porous items like plastic toys can be immersed in bleach for 30 seconds. Household surfaces that wouldn't be damaged by bleach should get 10 or more minutes of exposure. Bleach solutions are very hard on skin and should not be used as a substitute for hand washing or hand sanitizer. The second that we can use for cleaning is alcohol. Alcohol in many forms, including rubbing alcohol, can be effective for killing many pathogens. You can dilute alcohol with water or aloe vera to make hand sanitizer, but be sure to keep an alcohol concentration of around 70% to kill the coronavirus. Many hand sanitizer have concentration of 60% alcohol and Lysol contains about 80%. These are all effective against coronavirus. Solution of 70% alcohol should be left on surfaces for 30 seconds, including cell phones, but check the advice of phone manufacturer to make sure you wouldn't avoid the warranty to ensure they will kill viruses. Pure 100% alcohol evaporates too quickly for this purpose. Containers of 70% alcohol should be sealed to prevent evaporation, but unlike bleach solution, they will remain potent as long as they are sealed between uses. A 70% alcohol solution with water will be very harsh on your hands and should not be used as a substitute for hand washing or hand sanitizer. Can I use hydrogen peroxide? Hydrogen peroxide is sold in concentration of about 3%. It can be used as is or diluted to 0.5% concentration for effective use against coronaviruses on surfaces. It should be left on surfaces for 1 minute before wiping. The third one is, will vinegar kill off coronavirus? Vinegar, tea tree oil, and other natural products are not recommended for fighting coronavirus. A study on influenza virus found that cleaning with a 10% of solution of malt vinegar was effective, but few other studies have found vinegar to be able to kill a significant fraction of viruses or other microbes. While tea tree oil may help control the virus that cause cold sores, there is no evidence that it can kill coronaviruses.